Hello everyone. I just want to discuss about some new changes in the UK immigration rules. So let's start with the indefinite leave to remain, which is called ILR. ILR settlement, for years most people aimed for 5 years in the UK and get ILR, but not anymore. The journey to settlement is rising to 10 years. Many routes, and it gets tougher because ILR is no longer guaranteed. The UK is bringing in unsettlement. So what is unsettlement? You will need to prove consistent work, paying taxes, strong English, good conduct. So that's the changes coming into effect in the ILR, or you say indefinite leave to remain. So now you can discuss about asylum system. There's major changes coming into this category as well, and the asylum systems, I would say, is completely reshaped. So refugees will no longer get ILR automatically after 5 years, and they must also earn settlement. So the refugee status, those who has got the refugee status, they need to show their contribution, showing the integration to the economy and the country. Even the family reunion, once it's granted, right is now restricted. Applying for asylum or building a future here will be harder than ever. Now come to the point of skilled worker visa is going to be changed as well. For skilled workers, the bar is rising for a higher salary threshold, higher skill level, fewer eligibility for jobs, and employers will pay more to sponsor you. And this means fewer opportunities and more competition. Now let's come to the point of the future of the care worker visa, which is a hot topic. Now the part of everyone is talking about the care worker visa, what's gonna happen, because a lot of people came to this country during the corona period in the care sector. So for years the UK depend on overseas carers, but from 2025 onward, overseas recruitment is being heavily restricted and in several routes phased out. This could be the end of the easy care worker pathway to the UK. Fewer sponsorships, more barriers, and a future full of uncertainty, I would say, for care workers worldwide. Now let's come to the English requirements. They are going to change this thing as well. English language rules. To work, to settle, to stay, you will need B2 level English for many key visas. So if somebody want to come from Bangladesh or elsewhere, they have to prove their English is pretty good, and B2 level. It was before B1 level, so now it's B2. You have to prove it. The UK wants higher standards, and they are going to enforce it. Now let's come to the student and graduate route. Students, from 2027, the graduate visa drops from 2 years to 18 months. I hope that most students know this. Only PhD holders keeps 3 years, but apart from them, that post-study work will be curtailed from 2 years to 18 months. So final punchline, I would say, 2025 isn't another update. It's a reset of the UK immigration system. If you want a future here, you will need to prepare, adapt, and stay informed, because the rules are changing and they are changing fast. Thanks for watching.